Greeting artist, this is Dina and you're watching Freehand Technique channel. In this video I'm sharing my art techniques to sketch a portrait. Hope you enjoy my video. I leave the link of the reference photo in the description box. Without wasting your time, let's start the drawing. I use grade to calculate the ratio between the length and the width of the photo. Open the application, then upload the photo. From setting, you can choose how many columns and rows do you want. More options, you can choose the gray color and the grid line width. By dividing the ratio on the smaller number, we'll get the ratio 1 for the grid width and 1.7 for the grid length. If you want to draw in a small area, set the width to 10 centimeters and the length to 17 centimeters. This area is enough to the beginners to at least reduce mistakes. I draw 5 lines for the hair, eyebrows, nose, lips, and the chin. The hairline is at grade 3, so measure 5 centimeters and draw the line. The eyebrows line is at grade 4, so measure about 7 centimeters. The nose line is in the half of the grade 6, so measure about 9.5 centimeters, then draw the line. The lips is between 6 and 7, so draw the line at 11 centimeters. The chin is at the top of the grade 8, so draw the line at 11.5 centimeters. I draw arrows on the reference to see how the outline goes. From the hair determine the eyebrows start. As you see, I draw arrows on the reference. These arrows helps me to know the suitable space for the nose. From the eyebrows, I determine the start of the eye ducts. First draw the shadow, then draw the eye crease to make sure you leave a suitable space below the eyebrow. Then draw the eye lines of lashes, and the last thing, draw the iris. From the eyes, draw 2 lines to the lips line. The ear is between the eyebrows line and the nose line. After drawing the outline, take a photo, then compare it to the reference. This step is important before shading or painting. Now you're ready to paint your drawing. So that is my technique to sketch up a tree. Hope it helps. Don't miss to like, subscribe and turn on the bell below. Thank you for watching and see you soon.